Yeah, we will now continue with our Expo questions, review questions, study of chemistry, possible questions that could come out in chemistry. The more of these practice questions we do, the more you study them, the earlier, the greater your chances of passing, right? So I've told you that JAMB is a very serious exam. So in chemistry and in physics, also in mathematics, there are certain questions that are not calculation based. There are certain theory aspects of this calculation subject. So what we are doing right now is we are reviewing the aspect of these science subjects that are theory based. The aspect that are not calculation based is what we'll be looking at, right? So I've selected some questions I want us to focus on. This is crucial. This is very important. Okay, now let's start. This one will start from question 50, then we'll go up to question 1. I want us to start from the bottom, then we'll go up to question 1. Okay, question 50, what I'm giving you are real JAMB questions, so give me your attention. Number 1, the petroleum fraction that is used in heating furnaces in industries is called dash. The petroleum fraction, you know, when petroleum is distilled through fractional distillation, a lot of things come out. It's not only the petrol, it's not only the premium motor spirit, it's not only the kerosene, there are other things. They are now saying the petroleum fraction that is used in heating furnaces in industries is dash. A, diesel oil. B, gasoline. C, kerosene. D, lubricating oil. What is the answer? The answer is A, diesel. Diesel oil is used in heating furnaces in industries. I don't want you to forget it. Anyone we've handled, I am giving it to you because they are the expected questions. JAMB could pick the question from any of them. Polystyrene is widely used as packaging material for fragile objects during transportation because of dash. Because of its dash. Let's look at the question again. I'm asking question 48. Polystyrene is widely used as packaging material for fragile objects during transportation because of its dash. What are the options? The options are A, because of its lightness. B, low density. C, high density. D, high compressibility. The answer is B, low density, because of its low density. Let's look at question 49. The process of converting linear alkenes, you know, organic chemistry. The process of converting linear alkenes to branched chain and cyclic hydrocarbons by heating in the presence of a catalyst to improve the quality of petrol is referred to dash. A, refining. B, cracking. C, reforming. D, blending. Let's look at the question again. The process of converting linear alkenes to branched chain and cyclic hydrocarbons by heating in the presence of a catalyst to improve the quality of petrol is referred to as dash. A, refining. B, cracking. C, reforming. D, blending. The answer is C, reforming. Okay, let's go to question 45. Are you still following me? Remember that if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past questions. For all of you that show seriousness, if we show seriousness and you watch this particular video you are watching from now to the end of this video, I'm going to give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past questions because they are very important. They will help you in your personal study. Remember that I always encourage you study beyond the videos I give you here. Preparation should go beyond the videos I give you. I will give you videos every day, keep giving you materials, keep motivating you to pass. However, I need you to be more serious. Why? Our goal in this channel is for you to be among those that will come back with a testimony that you have gotten admission. You will be among those that will score 300 and above. You will not be among those that will score 50 or 170 or 130. You will score 300 and above. You will get admission into that institution that you have been willing to go into. If you claim it, type I claim it. If you claim these things I'm saying, type I claim it in the comment section. But beyond claiming it, I need you to sit down and read. Some of you go to lesson center and joke, play around, collect numbers of the opposite gender. That is not your portion. Your portion is to study and pass. By the time you enter school, you can play. But now, let us be serious. If you claim the things I say, type I claim it. Okay? 45. The polymer used in making car rear lights is dash. The polymer used in making car rear lights is dash. A. Pass. B. Brake light. C. Polystyrene. D. Polyacrylonitrile. The answer is actually D. Polyacrylonitrile. Right? Now, I want to give you an assignment. Your first assignment for this video is tell me the meaning, define polymer. Tell me everything you know about polymer. That is your first assignment. And like I always say, there is a reason I give you an assignment. I have seen something. Anytime I give you an assignment, don't jump it. Some of you will jump and pass. Once I give an assignment, you jump and pass. But that is not your portion. So tell me, answer the question I just asked. The process of converting starch to ethanol is dash. The process of converting starch to ethanol is dash. A. Cracking. B. Distillation. C. Fermentation. D. Oxidation. The process of converting starch to ethanol is, the answer is C. Fermentation. I want to give you an assignment, second assignment. Write down these assignments I'm giving so that at the end you can just answer them in the comment section. Tell me the difference between reduction and oxidation. Tell me the difference between reduction and oxidation. Another assignment, the third assignment is tell me the difference between distillation and fractional distillation. Remember, I keep telling you, the videos I do this is what you are watching is not Nollywood. You are not watching a Nollywood movie. You are watching a class that will help you to get admission. You are watching a class that will help you to score 300 and above. So when I give you an assignment, don't tell me that it's too difficult. Go make the research, then come and tell me the answer. There is always a reason for my assignment. You may not know, but I know there's a reason for every single assignment I give you. Question 43. Due to the unstable nature of Ethyne, it is stored by dissolving in dash. Due to the unstable nature of Ethyne, it is stored by dissolving in dash. A. Ethane 1,2-diol. B. Propanol. C. Ethanoic acid. D. Propanone. Due to the unstable nature of Ethyne, it is stored by dissolving in dash. Ethane 1,2-diol. I was lab prefect then, so I remember some of these things. B. Propanol. C. Ethanoic acid. D. Propanone. Remember, before I tell you the answer, to take this thing serious. Anyone you watch this video again. Remember, we have also done series. I've done a lot of, what you are watching now is part 4 actually. On our series on chemistry, we have done a lot of classes on chemistry. If you want me to give you the link to all the videos you have done, tell me, I can give it to you free. I can give it to you free. Even if you want me to give you the link to all the videos we've done on use of English, on chemistry, on physics, on biology, on economics, any subject, just mention the subject and tell me to give you the link on that particular subject, and I could give it to you. But that is if you watch this one you are watching till the end. Due to the unstable nature of ethyne, it is stored by dissolving in A. The answer actually is propanone. Propanone. Ethynes are stored in what? Ethynes are stored in propanone. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay, let's look at question 42. Ethyne is passed through a hot tube. Remember that instead of just watching this video once and leaving it, watch it more than once. That is one. Number two, all these areas you see me asking questions from, I expect you to return to your chemistry textbook, return and solve them, read them again, read them afresh. Any topic you see me picking questions from, go back to your chemistry material and study them thoroughly. Okay? Ethyne is passed through a hot tube containing organo-nickel catalyst to produce dash. Ethyne is passed through a hot tube containing organo-nickel catalyst to produce dash. What are the options? A. To produce isoprene. B. Polystyrene. C. Ethanol. D. Benzene. The answer is 42. The answer is benzene. The answer is what? Benzene. To move ethyne to ethanol. To look at the question again. Ethyne is passed through hot tube containing organic nickel catalyst to produce benzene. Benzene. Are you still with me? Now let's look at question 41. The alkanol obtained from the production of soap is dash. The alkanol obtained from the production of soap is dash. A. Propanol. B. Ethanol. C. Glycerol. D. Methanol. The answer is what? The answer is A. Propanol. Don't forget that this is not the only video we've done on chemistry. We have done quite a lot. If you need me to give you the link, let me know. If you claim that you will get admission this year, also type I claim it in the comment section. Let's look at question 37. Are you still following? If the videos I've been making have been helpful to you, please don't hesitate to tell me. If they have been helpful, let me know. It will, knowing that the videos I make are helpful to you will motivate me to do more videos. Okay? Question 37. In the electrolytic extraction of calcium from calcium chloride, the cathode is dash. In the electrolytic extraction of calcium from calcium chloride, the cathode is dash. A. Zinc. B. Graphite. C. Platinum. And D. Iron. In the electrolytic extraction of calcium from calcium chloride, the cathode is dash. A. Zinc. B. Graphite. C. Platinum. D. Iron. The actual answer is what? D. Iron. In the electrolytic extraction of calcium from calcium chloride, so it means you should go and study electrolysis. Go and study if you want, you can define electrolysis for me. This one is not compulsory. It's not compulsory like the other 3 assignments, but if you can, define electrolysis for me. These things are very important. In the electrolytic extraction of calcium from calcium chloride, the cathode is what? Iron. Is iron. Is iron. Is iron. Let's look at question 36. Are you still following? A compound that gives a brick red color to a non-luminous flame is likely to contain dash. Pay attention. I have always taught you, whenever you are given a question, the first thing is not to rush to click one. That's why many of you fail, but you will not be among the failures, right? The right thing to do is understand the question first. Understand the question. Don't rush. try to understand the question. Okay, now look at this. A compound that gives a brick-red color to a non-luminous flame is likely to contain dash. A. Copper ions. B. Sodium ions. C. Calcium ions. D. Aluminium ions. Let's look at the question again. Question 36. A compound that gives a brick red color to a non-luminous flame is likely to be, the answer is what? The answer is calcium ions. Calcium ions. Calcium ions, right? Now, if you need me to give you JAMB past question, if you have not gotten it, JAMB syllabus, if you have not gotten it, just do 4 things. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join. Click that option on our channel, find it, locate it on our channel, click it to join. Just go through the process and join our YouTube channel. That is number 1, which is compulsory. Number 2 is like this video. Click on like this video. Number 3, share this video. When you like this video, share this video. Click on share it here on YouTube, then copy the link. When you click on share that link on all the Telegram groups you belong to, all the WhatsApp groups you belong to, all the Facebook groups you belong to for JAMB candidates. Share it across board. Share it with your colleagues writing JAMB. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Click on subscribe, turn on the notification bell, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, when you have joined our YouTube channel, when you have liked this video, share this video and subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type, I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send those materials across to you. Remember to submit the assignment I gave you. There is a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.